Internal Affairs Minister, and he's spoken to the Solicitor General, and it talks about what he intends to do with the issue of new licenses. And he goes on to explain how he intends to take a preemptive and proactive decision on these issues as per the guidelines and rules framed to avoid any further confusion and delay. He tells the Prime Minister exactly what he intends to do in this letter dated 26 December. The Prime Minister replies on 3rd of January 2008 saying, "I have received your letter dated 26 December regarding recent developments. With warm regards, yours sincerely, Manmohan Singh." The people of India just want you to answer this one question. Manish Tiwari, as the spokesperson for this government, why did Manmohan Singh not stop A. Raja from going ahead with this loot, even though in previous communication he had explained that he was unhappy with what was happening? Being unhappy is not good enough. You see a loot happen, you stop it.
Rahul, I hope you would give me enough time to reply to that as you've taken to answer that question. And could you ask Nirmala Sitharaman to keep quiet? You know, she's had her say and she should have the patience to listen.
You see the
forget the clarification. I'm not supposed to clarify anything to you. Just keep quiet and listen properly. I need to answer Rahul's question. Rahul, there is a... would you please tell her to stop interrupting?
Yes, Ms. Sitharaman, you've spoken. The people of India want to know what the Congress party and the Prime Minister have to say about this silence. Let Manish speak. Tiwari, I'm coming back to you, Ms. Sitharaman. I'm coming back to you, ma'am, but this can't make any sense till the time each one speaks one by one. Manish Tiwari, go on, please.
Yeah, so therefore allow me to speak. Allow me to speak, and after that she can ask her clarification. Mr. Rahul Kanwal, the process goes as follows. The DOT writes to the TRAI saying that we need recommendations with regard to terms and conditions and capping of licensees. TRAI floats a consultation paper, has an open house discussion, and after that makes recommendations to the DOT. The DOT accepts those recommendations.
Manish, we know all of that.
And then goes
we know
ahead
that.
And
my question is,
one second.
The Prime Minister was told by A. Raja what he intends to do. Why did he not respond? Why didn't he stop it? Explain just that. The background everybody knows by now, Manish.
Well, in the sense, it is important to recap the background. After the TRAI recommendations come in and the government starts implementing it, there is a company or there is a group of companies which makes a representation to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister promptly writes to the Minister for Telecommunications saying, "I have received this representation. What do you have to say about this?" The Minister for Telecommunications replies that "I am going by the TRAI recommendations, which is the statutory authority under section 11(1)(1) to make recommendations with regard to the issuance of new licenses." So then you have the CAG report come in. The CAG report makes an indictment of the Minister of Telecommunications, and the Prime Minister obtains his resignation. So here you have the Congress party and this government which obtained the resignation of Ashok Chavan, which obtained the resignation of A. Raja, which obtained the resignation of Suresh Kalmadi. And you have the Bharatiya Janata Party which is going to town defending Yediyurappa, who has taken government land and given it to his sons and son-in-laws and daughters.
You know, remember,
so
Manish,
if you want to make a distinction on morality, this is the distinction you need to make.
Remember the story of Ali Baba and the 40 thieves. Knowing who the 40 thieves were and not stopping the robbery and the loot from taking place. Is that culpability or not? We leave it not to the BJP or to the Congress to decide. The Supreme Court has intervened. The Supreme Court itself will now come out. And as Dr. Kiran Bedi said, the people of India wait to hear what the Prime Minister has to say. Does he have a strong defense? Because if he does not, his reputation is now in real danger. For the moment, Nirmala Sitharaman, Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, Manish Tiwari and Dr. Kiran Bedi, thank you very much for joining me in what is turning out to be day by day to be the biggest crisis for this government. It is now turning out to be the Bofors of the UPA too.